Welcome to Rizzi. Now we are starting JEE problems related to parabola here in that module 1. Parabola module 1. In this module 1, the first topic name is and the first topic name and the question is equation of parabola or conic. Equation of parabola and conic. Or conic. And the first question in this topic is a variable circle passes through the fixed point. A variable circle is passes through the fixed point that is 2, 0 and touches the y-axis. Then the locus of the center 2. Then the locus of center is here. The options are first one parabola and the second one circle. Next ellipse, final one hyperbola. Here he is given the question, the question is related to the topic equation of parabola or conic, and here the question is a variable is circle, a variable is passes through the fixed point. Fixed point is nothing but here S focus and touches the y-axis, then the locus of center. Here generally the solution is, so generally the standard form of circle equation x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square, h minus x whole square and y minus k whole square here, and here whole square is equal r square. Here it touches the y-axis, that is nothing but x coordinate is h, so the radius is h here, r is equal to h, and x minus h whole square plus y minus k is equal to h square, and this circle is passing through this point. Let's substitute the point here. X is equal, this is x and y here, so 2 minus h whole square plus 0 minus k whole square, that is equal to h square, and 2 minus h whole square is nothing but 4, and here how much the value here, h square and minus 4h plus k square is equal to h square get cancelled. The final is k square is equal to minus of 4 into h minus 1 here, so it is in the form of parabola, that is x comma y. If you substitute x comma y here, so h comma k is h comma y, so then if you substitute y square is equal to minus 4 of x minus 1, then it is the form of parabola. That is equal to y square is equal to 4ax, so where y is equal to y only, x is equal to x minus 1, so then the solution for this one is parabola here. And the next question in this same topic is the next question of same topic. Question: which of the following equation represents a parabola? Which of the following represent the equation of parabola. Here this is the question here. Second question, which of the following represents the equation of parabola? Here he is given option. For this question we require the option here. The first option is, so the first option is x minus y whole cube is equal to x minus y whole cube is equal to 3, and the second option x by y by x, x by y x is equal to 0, and x by y 4 by x, x by y 4 by x is equal to 0, and the final option is x plus y whole square plus 3, x plus y whole square plus 3 is equal to 0. Here which of the following is the equation of parabola he is asking. Let me check the first option, x minus y whole cube, that is equal to 3 here. So if it is in the form of a minus b whole cube, so a minus b whole cube is nothing but we will get a cube plus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. This is the formula. So if you substitute here, x is x cube plus y cube, here we are getting. So in parabola equation we don't have cubes here, so this is the wrong answer. Next, the second option, x by y by x is equal to 0. Take LCM xy, and x square minus y square is equal to 0. X square minus y square is equal to 0 here. So here two values are having y square here, two variables are having square here. This is also wrong answer. And the next one, x by y plus 4 by x is equal to 0. Take LCM xy, and x into x become x square, 4 into y 4y, that is equal to x square plus 4y is equal to 0. If you change this to becomes, it will become 0. X square plus 4y is equal to 0. X square is equal to minus 4y. So it is in the form of parabola. So the option C is the correct answer. So it is the general form of standard parabola here. X square is equal to minus 4ay. Here 4a is equal to minus 4 get cancelled, minus get cancelled. A is equal to how much here? 1 here for this one. So this is the solution for this question here, and the next topic and next question here. No need to check fourth option here. Here for C option only it is getting the answer. And the first next question, focus, vertex, directrix, latex, rectum. Focus, directrix, vertex, latex, rectum, and we have some more points here, axis, etc. This is the topic name, and in this topic name the question, the focus and directrix of a parabola are, here the question number 8, the focus and directrix of a parabola are 1 comma 1, 1 comma minus 1, and x plus y plus 3 is equal to 0. X plus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Its vertex is here. This is the question he is given, and if you look at this question, the focus and directrix of a parabola, are 1 comma minus 1 and x plus y plus 3, and its vertex is also. And the solution for this one is, here if you go through the diagrammatical representation for this one, this is a parabola, and this is a directrix, this is vertex line, this is axis line here. So here is given directrix What is directrix here? X plus y plus 3 is equal to 0, and focus that is 1 comma minus 1, and the slope of this one m1, the slope of this one is y is equal to minus x minus 3, m1 is equal to minus 1, and slope of axis, this is directrix, and directrix and axis both are perpendicular to each other, so then the slope of axis that is m2 become m1 into m2, that is equal to minus 1. So where m1 is equal to minus 1, then m2 becomes here 1 here. So m2 is equal to how much here? 1. m2 is nothing but slope of this is m2, that is equal to 1, this is m1, that is equal to minus 1 here. So here we are getting slopes. After getting the equation of axis, here we want equation of axis, this is the axis here. Equation of axis is called generally y is equal to mx plus c. So and here y is equal to mx plus c, and it is passing to the point 1 comma minus 1 here. So let's substitute them y plus x plus c. Let's substitute the point here. X is nothing but 1, y is nothing but minus 1 plus c here. So then implies c is equal to how much? Minus 1, that is equal to minus 2. Simply c is equal to how much we got here? Minus 2. C value we got. After getting c value, substitute in this expression. So y is equal to x minus 2. And if you bring all the terms to this side and otherwise send this side, x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the equation of axis. This is equation of axis. This is x minus y minus 2, and the equation of directrix x plus y plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the equation of axis. This is the equation of directrix. On solving equation, this is the equation number 1 and this is the equation number 2, 1 and 2 here. So x plus y plus 3 is equal to 0 and x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Now cancel. 2x plus 1 is equal, x is equal, that implies minus 1 by 2. X is equal to minus 1 by 2. Here we got x value, and let's substitute x value in this equation, will get y value. So minus 1 by 2 plus equation 1 implies minus 1 by 2 plus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Y is equal to y plus 3 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. That is nothing but here, if you take LCM, y is equal to 6 minus 1 by 2 minus 6 minus 1 by 2 here, that is equal to minus 5 by 2. Here x value we got, x comma y is equal to how much here? So minus 1 by 2 comma minus 5 by 2. Here minus 1 by 2 comma 5 by 2. So this is x comma y, this is x comma y here, this is x comma y, and this is here, this is focus, that is how much we got? 1 comma minus 1. Vertex is midpoint of these two values. Vertex is nothing but midpoint of these two values. Midpoint is nothing but x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the vertex here. This is the vertex x1. This is nothing but 1 plus here x1 minus 1 by 2 whole divided by 2, and y1 is nothing but minus 1 minus 5 by 2 divided by 2. Let's solve this one. So if you take LCM, 2 minus 1 by whole 2 divided by 2 minus 2 minus 5 by 2 whole divided by 2, and 1 2 minus 1 2 into 2 4, 1 by 4 minus 7 by 4. Here this is the vertex of a parabola here, and understand clearly. Once again I am repeating this question. The focus and directrix of a parabola is given. The focus, this is the focus, and the directrix equation is given, and its vertex he is asking. The vertex is nothing but the parabola which is intersecting the coordinate principal axis here, the intersection point of intersection of principal axis and the parabola is called vertex here, and the directrix x plus y plus 3 is equal 0 is given, focus and also given, and the directrix of slope is m1 and the slope of axis is m2. We are getting slope here, and the equation of slope, equation of axis I am considering y is equal to mx plus c is equal, y is equal to mx plus c is nothing. I am substituting the point 1 comma minus 1, that is passing through this, satisfying this point here. After getting c value, substituting in equation, will get equation of the axis. After getting equation of axis and equation of directrix solving, will get x1 comma y1, x comma y point, that is nothing but this point here. So already we have focus, we need to find the vertex. Vertex is midpoint of these 2 points. So after getting the values here, thus if you substitute in the midpoint formula, will get vertex here. This is all about the solution of this question here. And the next question in this topic is in the same topic, and the next question will be the axis of symmetry of the conic, the axis of the symmetry, the axis of the symmetry of the conic ax y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c is, he is given. Here if you look at this question, the axis of symmetry of the conic y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c is, and the solution for this one is solution. So the given conic is y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. So let's take a as common, x square plus b by a x plus c by a. If you take a as common here, y is equal to a into x square plus b by a x plus b by 2a whole square and b by 2a whole square plus c by a. And here if you observe, I am adding b by 2a whole square and minus subtracting b by 2a whole square. So there is no change of value here. So it is in the form of a square plus a square plus 2ab plus b square. So b is nothing but b by 2a here. So y is equal to a into x plus b by 2a whole square, next b square by 4a square plus c by a. And here if you take common here b by 2a whole square, if you take LCM, minus of 4a square b square plus here, what will the value here? If you take here LCM for, otherwise you can write like this. So c by a minus b square by 4a square. So keep it in bracket. Now keep it in bracket. So now easy to calculate here. So a square x plus b by 2a whole square plus take LCM 4a square, that is nothing but 4a is nothing but 4ac minus b square. So here now multiplying a to all the sides here, y is equal to a into x plus b by 2a whole square plus a into 4ac minus b square by 4a square. So a get cancelled here, y is equal to a into x plus b by 2a whole square plus 4ac minus b square by 4a. And if you change this value, if you change the terms here, y is equal to a into x plus b by 2a whole square minus of b square minus 4ac by 4a. Can we write here? I am interchanging the terms, I am changing this sign as negative here. If you send this side, y plus b square minus 4ac by 4a is equal to a into x plus b by 2a whole square. Here it is in the form of a square is equal to 4ay, it is a parabola equation here. It is a parabola equation, but he is saying symmetry. Symmetry, if you place in place of x is equal to also minus x, the value will be the same here, no change. Why? Because it is having square here, it is having square, that's why there is no change in the value. So it is a symmetry. When it is a symmetry, when x plus b by 2a becomes 0, when x plus b by a becomes 0, and here if you take LCM, 2ax plus b is equal 0. If you change this value to right hand side, then it will become 2ax plus b is equal 0. This is the condition for symmetry of a conic y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c is. So first we have to take a as common and adding the two values here. So to become a plus b whole square values, on solving these two get, we are getting in the form of parabola after getting this value equating to 0 for the symmetric condition here. This is all about this question here. And the next question, and the next question in this topic is the equation of tangent at vertex of the parabola. The equation of tangent at vertex of a parabola. Equation of tangent at vertex of a parabola: x square plus 4x plus 4y, x square plus 4x plus 4y plus 16 is equal to 0. And if you look at this question, the question is the equation of tangent at vertex of a parabola x square plus 4x plus 4y plus 16 is equal to 0. And the solution for this one is, so given equation is x square plus 4x plus 4y plus 16 is equal to 0. And can I write this as x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. I am separating this 12 as 4 and 12. 4 and I am writing this 4 here and 12 here. So if you observe this one, and here two terms are there. It is in the form of a square plus b square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is x plus 2 whole square. Can I write directly? I am writing here x square plus 2 into 2x plus 2 whole square, that is nothing but x plus 2 whole square, plus if you take 4 as common here, y plus 3 is equal to 0 here. So here if I am sending x plus 2 whole square and I am sending to this whole term to right hand side, 4 of 4 y plus 3 here. So it is in the form of x square is equal to minus 4ay. So here the equation of tangent, this is the equation of tangent here, the equation of tangent here, y plus 3, y plus y here, when you are having, this is the equation of tangent like this, it is having y plus 3 is equal to 0. So then the equation of tangent will become y plus 3 is equal to 0. For this one the equation of tangent is y is equal to 0. For this one the equation of tangent is y plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the solution about this question here. This is a simple question. I am separating the terms and finding in the form of x square plus minus 4ax is the form of parabola here. And the next question in this topic is, and the next question is the equation of tangent, focus of a parabola, focus of a parabola equation is given, that is x square plus 4x square minus 12x plus 8y plus 13 is equal to 0, plus 13 is equal to 0 is given. This is the equation focus of a parabola. He is asking the focus of the parabola. This is the equation parabola and he is asking this focus is called question mark here. This is the question mark here. So I am writing this as This is the equation 4x square minus 12x plus 8y plus 13 is equal to 0. I am writing this 13 as 9 plus 4, that is 13 here. So I am writing this 9 here and 4 this side. So 4x square minus 12x plus 9 plus 8y plus 4 is equal to 0. So here two terms are there. This is in the form of a plus b, a minus b whole square, that is nothing but 2x whole square minus 2 into 3, here 2 into 3 into 2x plus 3 whole square, that is nothing but 2x minus 3 whole square plus, here if you take common as 4 here, 2y plus 1, 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Here I am taking 2 as common here, 2 as common, that is 2x square minus 3 is equal to minus 4 of 2y plus 1 I am sending to right hand side, this total term to right hand side, take 2 as common, that is nothing but 2 square and x minus 3 by 2 whole square, and if here if you are taking here 2 as common here, that is nothing but I am taking 2 here common, that is nothing but minus 4 into 2, it is nothing but y plus 1 by 2 here. So 4 and 4 get cancelled, that is nothing but x minus 3 by 2 whole square is equal to minus 2 into y plus 1 by 2. This is in the form of x square minus 4ax. This is the form of x square is equal to minus 4ax parabola, that is like this. That is like this. And here 4a value, 4a is equal to become minus 2. 4a is equal to becomes minus 2. If you compare this 4a and here minus 2 is there. Equating, comparing 4a is equal to minus 2. A is equal to how much here? Minus 2 by 4. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. Then a is equal to how much here? A is equal to minus 1 by 2. Here this is the value here. A is equal to 1 by 2. After getting a is equal to 1 by 2. After getting a is equal to 1 by 2 here. So the equation is having, this parabola is having focus, that is 0 comma a. The focus is, general focus for this one is 0 comma a, and equating the term x minus 3 is equal to 0, this value is become 0, and y plus 1 by 2 is equal to a. on comparing this expression with vertex here, focus here, that is 0 comma a, x minus 3 is equal to 0, why? Because this value, and y plus 1 by 2 is equal to a here. So x is equal to how much here? 3 by 2. X is equal to, we got 3 by 2. We send to right hand side. Here y is equal to 1 by, y plus 1 by 2 is equal to y, a value we got here minus 1 by 2. Let's substitute the value here. If we send minus 1 by 2 that side, y is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus minus 1 by 2, that is equal to minus 1. Then how much value we got here? Here y is equal to minus 1. Here we got x and y value, x comma y is equal to 3 by 2 comma minus 1. So it is the value of focus for this one, 3 by 2 comma minus 1 here. This is the focus here. So first I am taking the equation he is given and separating into two terms. I am framing in the form of standard form of parabola, that is x is equal to 4ax, and comparing the 4a value we will get a value, and the general focus for this one is 0 comma a, and equating the terms here x square and y here, and equating these two terms we will get the focus here. This is the focus x comma y here. This is all about the solutions of module 1 and 2 topics. The first one is the equation of parabola and conic here, and the focus, directrix, latus rectum and axis, etc. here. This is all about these two parts. In next session we will discuss about some more topics of module 1 JEE problems. Thank you.